included selling halls in Shannon, Foxton and LEVIN before the council commits to more than $2 million worth of earthquake strengthening and $108 million of improvements to water infrastructure. The council wants to sell community halls because interest in hiring the venues has dropped significantly and the cost of keeping rising. Shannon's Hall was worst hit, with the number of bookings dropped from 119 in 2011-12 to 20 in 2016-17. A plan for new drinking water and wastewater infrastructure in Hokio Beach, Manukau, Ohau, Waikawa Beach and Waitarere Beach could cost the council $108 million. The council is backing the most expensive option that will provide new infrastructure to both existing towns and the district's expected growth areas.